In these problems, we are ready to rock translating full sentences into much simpler algebraic expressions. Let's rock and roll with it. So it says, you buy 4 football tickets and pay $10 for food and drinks. Write an algebraic expression for the total amount you pay. The first thing I always do is I figure out what is my unknown amount in this, and I do what's called define a variable, meaning I write down so that everyone knows what my variable means. What we don't know is the cost per football ticket. So I'm going to write that as F. F equals the cost of one ticket. That's what we don't know. Now, as I read this problem, I like to translate as I read. We've got 4 of the cost of one ticket, right? Because we're going to be adding the cost of one ticket 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So as I read that, I think, well, that's the expression 4 times the cost of one ticket, or 4F. In addition to that, I'm going to pay $10 on top of that for food and drinks. And before you know it, you've built your algebraic expression rather than trying to figure out what it is from just recognizing problems that you've seen in the past. Not too bad. This next one's a bit of a challenge. I figured I'd put it on there and see how you can roll with it. It says Pam is 31 years older than her daughter. Write an algebraic expression using Pam's age to describe her daughter's age. So what we don't know in this and what we're being asked to use is Pam's age. So I'm going to let P, and you use variables, you pick letters so that it reminds you of what it is the variable stands for. So you could use X. But X doesn't really remind me of Pam. That would be like Zam or something like that. So P equals Pam's age. Now here's the challenge. The way this is written, you would think that you would do P plus 31, right? But that doesn't make sense because Pam is 31 years older than her daughter, right? If she's 31 years older than her daughter, then her daughter, flip it around, is 31 years younger or less than Pam, right? So Pam is 31 years older, means the daughter is 31 years less than P. How do we write that? Well, P minus 31. So if Pam was, let's say, I don't know, 47, then we would take 47 and subtract the 31-year difference to find the daughter's age. So the daughter's age is P minus 31. Now for this final problem, let's check out how we can totally translate a very simple algebraic expression from a lot of words. You buy tacos. I love tacos. If you do, great. If not, ignore the fact that they're tacos. Use a different kind of food. You buy those tacos for $1.75 per taco and redeem a coupon for $1 off your order. Write an expression for this situation. I am going to define a variable here for the amount that I don't know, but that is changing, the amount that is variable. So it's the number of tacos that we don't know. So I'm going to say, let's let T equal the number of tacos. And let's actually write that E so you can see it. So number of tacos. So T is the number of tacos. Now let's translate as we read. It says you buy tacos for $1.75 per taco. So I buy one taco, it's $1.75. 2 tacos, 2 times $1.75. 3 tacos, 3 times $1.75. So I'm going to take $1.75 and multiply that by the number of tacos, or 1.75T. After we spend all that money on the tacos, we're going to redeem a coupon for $1 off. Redeem means to use a coupon, so we would be taking off, or have $1 less from our total. Then it says write an expression for the situation. What ends up happening when you translate as you write is you end up with the expression before you even get to the final part, which is telling you what to do. Awesome stuff. Guys, I love translating word problems. It's at the heart of why algebra is needed.